Hey,
Okay.
Mark Voss here, Voss Organics, growing in PittMoss for the second season. Mark, how's it going?
Good. Having a great day here at market. It's a beautiful day.
What's it been like growing in your second season with PittMoss? I know last year you grew in it some, but this year, how's it going?
Yeah, we are growing in 1/3 PittMoss, 1/3 or 2/3 our old mix, and I have to say that it really saved us this year. Just the water retention, the fertility, the consistency. It is we really love growing in it, and I'm going to expand into using maybe half and half next year. Eventually, hoping to migrate to full PittMoss over the years. It's just a beautiful product.
And how's the growth been so far? The plants look amazing here, and I did pan earlier.
Yeah.
How do you liking it so far?
Exceptional. I think the plants are so healthy, and just knowing that there's a moisture reservoir in there for them if they need it. The PittMoss is unparalleled in that regard.
So the water efficiency is there for you.
Yeah, I can see it. I notice it for sure.
Perfect. All right. Well, hey, Mark, great talking with you. Have a great season.
Dane County Farmers Market, largest true farmers market in the country, growing in PittMoss here on the corner of Main and Carroll.
Awesome. Love it.